Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, welcome to your ultimate source for everything on motorcycles, dirt bikes, and everything in between. If you're passionate about two-wheeled beasts like we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our future videos. Today, we have something seriously exciting to talk about: the much-anticipated 2026 Kawasaki KX500. When it comes to motocross legends, Kawasaki has always had a solid reputation. Their KX series, particularly the KX500, is often regarded as one of the most iconic and powerful machines in the history of motocross. And while the KX500 hasn't been in production since the early 2000s, there have been rumors swirling around about a potential return of this legendary model. In 2026, it looks like Kawasaki is ready to bring back the KX500, but with a modern twist. The 2026 KX500 has a sleeker, more aggressive look compared to its predecessors. The bodywork is more streamlined, with sharper angles and a more dynamic profile. The front end features an updated headlamp design with LED technology, offering a more modern, clean look while improving visibility at night or in low-light conditions. The frame has been optimized for strength and weight, using a combination of high-tensile steel and advanced lightweight alloys. This makes the bike feel lighter and more responsive, while still maintaining the robustness that the KX500 is known for. Kawasaki has also made the suspension system a key point of focus, with updated geometry that should help with handling on the toughest tracks. While the 2026 KX500 maintains the heritage of the original model, it also brings a futuristic vibe that's sure to appeal to both old fans and newcomers. Now let's talk about what everyone's really here for: the engine. The 2026 Kawasaki KX500 stays true to the two-stroke legacy with its powerful 500 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. However, don't expect a simple carryover of the old KX500 engine. Kawasaki has made significant improvements to the power plant to meet the demands of modern motocross while retaining that signature, raw two-stroke power. First, the engine is now more refined, with a new exhaust system that helps improve power delivery throughout the rev range. Kawasaki has employed advanced combustion technology, which helps with fuel efficiency and emissions while still maintaining that trademark two-stroke kick. This means you'll get the power you want on the track, but in a more environmentally conscious package. One of the standout features of the engine is its electronic fuel injection (EFI) system. While two-stroke engines traditionally rely on carburetors, EFI is now the norm in modern dirt bikes. This allows for better throttle response, improved fuel economy, and more consistent performance across various altitudes and weather conditions. When it comes to suspension, Kawasaki has gone all in with the latest technology. The 2026 KX500 features a fully adjustable Showa suspension system with high-end components that will allow riders to fine-tune their setup for different terrains and riding styles. The front fork is a long travel inverted fork, which gives you maximum control on rough tracks, while the rear shock is equally adjustable, offering a smooth ride even through the gnarliest sections. What makes this setup really stand out is the integration of a new hydraulic clutch system, which significantly reduces hand fatigue, especially on longer rides. The KX500's geometry is also revamped to enhance cornering ability, making the bike much more stable at higher speeds and in tight turns. Whether you're in the air or on the ground, this bike will provide excellent stability. This improved suspension and handling will make a huge difference, especially for riders who push their machines to the limit during intense races. Kawasaki's focus on balance and precision gives the 2026 KX500 an edge in handling that can compete with the best in the industry. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 KX500 is the infusion of cutting-edge technology. The bike has some truly modern features that elevate its performance to the next level. As we mentioned earlier, the KX500 is now equipped with electronic fuel injection (EFI), which provides more precise control over fuel delivery and optimizes performance across different conditions. In addition, the 2026 KX500 comes with a traction control system that works to keep the rear wheel from spinning out in slippery conditions. This technology is a game changer, particularly for off-road and muddy conditions where traction can be a challenge. Kawasaki has also introduced a ride mode selector, which allows riders to adjust the power delivery to match their skill level and the conditions of the track. Whether you're in the mood for full throttle performance or you need to dial it back a bit, This system will let you fine-tune the power delivery to suit your needs. A new digital dashboard displays essential information such as speed, lap times, engine temperature, and fuel levels. The dash is easy to read and can be adjusted for different lighting conditions, so you can focus on the race without worrying about visibility. And let's not forget about the updated exhaust system. Not only does it help with performance, but it also reduces noise levels, which is great for tracks with noise restrictions. Safety is always a priority, and the 2026 KX500 is no exception. Kawasaki has integrated advanced braking technology with large disc brakes front and rear, providing plenty of stopping power for when you need it most. The braking system is also lighter than ever, thanks to improved materials and design. The updated frame and bodywork are designed to absorb impact better, reducing the risk of injury during crashes. Kawasaki has also reinforced the foot pegs and handlebars, making them more durable and less prone to bending or breaking in the event of a fall. Now let's talk about the price. Kawasaki has always been known for offering competitive pricing on their motocross machines, and the 2026 KX500 is expected to be no different. While it's difficult to pin down the exact price at this point, estimates suggest that the 2026 KX500 could retail for somewhere between $8,000 and $9,500, depending on the market and any potential updates before launch. As for availability, the 2026 Kawasaki KX500 is expected to hit dealerships in mid-2026, so keep your eyes peeled for when it officially drops. If you're planning to grab one, be ready to act fast. This bike is expected to be in high demand. There you have it. The 2026 Kawasaki KX500 is shaping up to be a game-changer for the motocross world. With a powerful engine, advanced suspension, modern technology, and a nod to the iconic KX500 legacy, it's clear that Kawasaki is once again ready to dominate the motocross scene. Whether you're a professional racer or a passionate enthusiast, this bike is bound to be a standout. What do you think about the 2026 Kawasaki KX500? Will you be getting one when it launches? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow motocross fans. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to your channel name for more exciting content on the latest dirt bikes, motocross news, reviews, and much more. Catch you in the next one.